Right guys, I've got a quick but very important video for you today. Welcome to the channel, Gamer Centric, my name's Lee. Let's get straight into it, no baggering about. Now the last 2 days I've had an issue that's been driving me crazy. My search bar has not been working. And I know there's a hell of a lot of people that since certain Windows updates, the search bar has been absolutely broken, right? So mine, for example, I know some people get a black screen, some people can't even click it, some people aren't even there, but mine, for example, whenever I put in 2 or 3 letters, it crashes. Well, literally, it just doesn't work. So I'll try and type in something, and it just crashes, bang, gone. Every single time. Now, over the last couple of days, I've been on the phone to Microsoft. I've followed every video on YouTube. I've been in my registry and PowerShell and just every different possible way you could imagine of fixing this, right? So, something happened this morning. I was literally given up. I could not be bothered anymore. I thought, that's it. Whatever, right? But then I noticed on Google, somebody said, when they made another account, it works over on that account. I had an idea. I thought, right, let me make another account. I did that. So what I did, because I couldn't obviously type anything in the search bar, I just went on settings. I typed in user in here, and I went on add, edit, or remove other users. Add someone else to this PC. You don't just click on you don't have the sign-in information. Then you can do add a user without a Microsoft account. So you basically just add a local account, guys, right? Don't bother with password, just type in whatever. Doesn't matter what you call it. So once that's done, you want to sign in to your new account, right? So you come here, you go up to the little person up on the left there, and you sign out of this account, and you sign into the new account. It'll take you back to the login screen. Log into your, well, just sign into your new account, right? When you go in there, it will reset up Windows on that new account. I don't know if that's got anything to do with it, right? But as soon as I've reset Windows on that account, my search bar was perfect. So I thought, okay, that's taking the pee a little bit. Obviously working over here. So I signed out of that account and come back onto my main account. As soon as I logged back into my main account, guys, my search bar worked. After I've tried every single possible way of fixing this goddamn thing. I've been on the phone forever to Microsoft. They've been about as useful as a chocolate kettle. And just got it fixed. So give it a go, guys. Remember, make a new account, sign into that account, sign out of this one, sign into that new account. Make sure the search bar is working on there after you set up the Windows. Then sign out, sign back in to your main account, and I hope it works for you, because that is literally what worked for me. And if you're anything like me and you've had 2 days of just trying everything, nothing's worked, you're probably given up. You're probably at the stage of you just don't care. You're not going to use a search bar. Who gives a crap anymore? But honestly, guys, I'm not guaranteeing it'll work because it's not exactly a technical solution. I've tried all of them, right? But why not give it a go, guys? That's why I thought I'd get this video out as soon as I can, because it might help. I hope it helps some of you. It stops you pulling your hair out, which is what I've been doing. And yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, if it helped. If it worked for you, please let me know. If you did find some value from this quick video, guys, please drop a like, comment, and maybe subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let me know in the comments if it works. And I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.